Good afternoon, it's Dr. Botts here at FSWC Lee. Maybe you can see me, I hope you can. Thanks for your interest in the lottery today. And we're gonna get kind of right to it. Just a couple quick disclaimers. I'm here talking, but I'm not touching anything. And all that's in the computer right now are numbers. So the names come after the fact. Today we'll be just using lottery numbers, which makes it impossible for us to know who we are or aren't selecting. And to be honest, we're not doing any selecting. Something called a random number generator out on the web is gonna do that. So I'll quickly describe the process, then we'll do the sophomore lottery. Truth be told, today we won't be offering any sophomore seats. That will not hold true. Sooner or later, there will be some available seats, but today we're not in a position to offer a bunch, so we'd rather offer none and then do 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, or however many it works out to be. In the freshman world, we do have 100 seats to offer today, so you'll see that process. So let me just orientate you to what's on the screen here. I know my face may disappear, but hopefully my hand is here. These are just Excel documents. If you see at the bottom, the 10th grade lotto here, everyone who has a valid lottery number, their number but not their names has been loaded in here. And my lovely assistant, Paul, who's a lovely person, but not like lovely assistant like you would normally think of lovely as, he's gonna highlight all of these numbers and take them over to randomnumber.org, I think is the name, random.org. So this is just a website, and he'll cut and paste them into this box here. And when he pushes go, it will take them and jumble them all up. And the order that they come out in is the lottery number. So all of a sudden we're doing the 10th grade lottery right now. 1, 2, 3, go. And boom. Just for an example here, you'll see that number 266 will be the first seat that we offer, then number 167, number 278, number 57, and so on. Truth be told, in the 10th grade lottery, we won't get to the bottom of the list. So if you're in that top few, you can expect to hear from us sometime between now and the end of the school year. If you're way at the bottom, it's highly unlikely that we'll have 40 seats available in the sophomore class. So in terms of process, this list of numbers is now a done deal. We'll take this list, copy and paste it, and we'll move it over to the documents that you see out on the web now, and those will be updated. So here's the sophomore results. He's gonna cut and paste that same list right here. He'll push save, and then we'll turn that into a PDF document, post it to the web. It should be up before 4 o'clock. We're not highlighting anything here because, again, we're not offering any seats in the freshman world. We'll highlight down 100 seats. I'll also explain about the sibling preference on the freshman world, and that's that. So thank you, Paul. You did a great job on the lottery. You're going to keep your lovely badge. So we're going to go do the 9th grade lottery now. This is maybe the moment you've all been waiting for. We know it's stressful. But just to review again, all of these numbers in column A, there are about 200 of them, are valid lottery entries for the 9th grade. Sibling and employee preferences have already been pulled out. So Paul's going to highlight them, copy them. This is the lottery. This is what we're doing right now. We're at a new clean tab. He'll put them in the box. And then just for drama's sake, we'll count down 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to run the lottery. Boom. And there it is. Lottery is done. I know the camera's not super clear, but this will be live on the web in just a second. And also we'll scroll down so that there's a record of, maybe slow enough so people can read it, but there's a record of what was here in what order. So you can kind of see, you're not going to be able to see this, but at least it's archived on what goes on, just so that you can see that it's the same on the PDF document when all things are done. And so today, the most unlucky person in the lottery was whoever happened to have number 199. The second least lucky person is number 66. Second least, or third least, number 81. We go back up to the top, Paul. So the luckiest person today was lottery number 24, 132, 156. We're gonna move these over now to the Word document, and we'll highlight in yellow all the way down to number 100 on the list. And we'll get that posted right away to the web so that you can see it and go from there. So there we are, taking all the results in the respective orders. It's a copy and a paste. We're gonna go over to this freshman document. These green numbers are the numbers of sibling and employee preferences that were already extracted. They've already been offered and accepted their seat. So now we'll drop in. And so here you go. We're gonna go back up to number 1. We're gonna start highlighting here, and we're gonna go all the way down to number 100. Those will turn yellow, and those are the first seats that we'll offer. So this week, staff here at the school will reach out to these families via email and say, you have a seat that's been offered to you. You have X amount of time to return the packet and let us know you're coming. As soon as we know somebody's not coming or that deadline passes, we'll move right on down the line. So if your number happens to be at slot 101 or 102, you're very, very safe. Everybody won't say yes. Everybody won't return their packet. And we'll just keep moving down the line and emailing packets out. So this is where we're at, just to help you kind of see. Number 100 was number 188. So if your lottery number is, can you scroll up just one little bit, Paul? If you're number 28, then you're the 101st person, you're still very safe. All these people that are close to 100, you'll probably get a chance to come because all 100 of these people won't say yes. So we're gonna sign off here in a second. Please just keep watching our website. By 4 o'clock, these exact documents will be live on the web. They'll be a PDF document. If you have any questions about where you are, you can call. There's some instructions in the text there. Call the front office. Ms. Benanti can answer the question, and we'll just look forward to processing this and meeting everybody for next school year. Thank you for your time and have a great day.